Damn. This is so much better. Holy shit. Why haven't I done this sooner? Man. Alright. So the other day, I'll just start the truck. So the other day, I was playing around with the radio. Don't want to get any copyright stuff on YouTube, but let's see. So I went balance all the way to the right, and then I went fade all the way to the front, and my speaker is gone. No longer have that speaker. So I'll show you again. Go back to back from front, balance, back to center, and then I went all the way left, and then all the way front. Do you hear that? I have like an intermittent tweeter slash speaker that's finicky, doesn't really work all the time. It sounds super staticky, just, oh, sounds so bad. So I'll try and do it before and after for you guys. So hopefully that's a good enough before sound. I'm super stoked. I went with JBL's GX8628, and it's better than the kickers, for the size, of course. And yeah, super stoked. I'm still debating on which speakers to do in the back. Might contemplate when I get the head unit in the future video to go with JBL maybe 6x9s in the rear. Have a little more thump to them. I'm definitely not doing subwoofers. I'm not into the bass anymore. Used to be, not anymore. I'd rather get a nice exhaust. So the tools you guys are going to need for this: needle nose pliers, Phillips head. You can either use just a regular screwdriver, or if you have a drill, I'd recommend the drill. It's faster. Then also a 6mm socket for the screws that hold the speakers in the door. So I have quick connects, so I can interchange really fast between these. It's really convenient and nice. I'm just going to start with this one. And this one's going to go so much easier. So we got this panel pops off, 2 metal clips. Then we got a screw here. Then next, we got this handle cover that needs to come off. You just pry from this side. And then slide it off like so. It has a clip that locks into here and pulls out from this side. And of course, you gotta watch out for the handle. So that's that one. Then we got a screw here, screw here. This is the easiest door card you'll probably ever take off. Next, pull up here. So next, pull up here. This pops up. Slide it this way. And you can see this tab here comes under here, so don't break that. So since we're on the driver's door, we have mirrors. So there's some little depressed tabs. Press them in. Same thing here. I'm using my thumb, pressing this one in, pulling out, and here pushing in with my thumb and pulling out. And there's 2. So one on the front and also one on the back. Like so. So get those out. Tuck our wires in a little bit into the door. Pop these 2 screws off. So first one here. Pop this here. Next one's here. And then, ready for this? Pull up and out. So up and towards you. That's it. The whole door card comes off. You will have your light. It's just a simple twist. And it comes off. So, just like that. Gently set this on the side of the truck. Pretty straightforward. So let's see what we got here. 3 out of the 4 screws. Well, I don't have any replacements right now. Can't do much about that. Pull this out. What's nice about this side is I can put the wire underneath. Both of those were tight and they were connected, so that's good. But I'll still take some needle nose pliers and crimp these down just a little bit more. Just a little bit. Each one of these. That way my connections are solid for the new speakers, and I won't be having to go back and forth with diagnosing in the future if a cable pops off and my speaker stops working. So it's better to do that now than in the future. So to seal the speaker up nice, this kit came with some foam. So I'm just going to pull this out of the way and just wrap the foam around right now. Slowly work my way around. I mean, there's so many holes in this door that I doubt this will do anything, but it might help reduce vibration of the speaker itself inside the door, which will definitely be nice and helpful. Reduce vibration. And whether the speaker sits on this door card insert or not, I don't think it matters. Tighten this up a little bit more. Cool. And this just goes right into place here. So those 3 it is. Alright, speaker's in. So just the reverse from here now. Take the door card. Come up here. It's a little tricky getting the door card back on, but it's not too bad. Get your light in. Grab your wiring harness. So what's really tricky is this here. So what I do, I just take my fingers from behind, push it forward a little bit, pull my fingers out, and then slowly lower it. Oh, bump everyone in the face. Pull my wire harness up. And then yeah, just line it up, wiggle it around, push it down. Should be good to go. Swap over, back to the Phillips. Put the 2 screws back in, one by the handle. One up here. And then just reverse everything else. Plug this back in. Okay, so one's offset from the others. One goes there. Yep. And yep. So once again, watch out for that tab. Locks in like that. Snaps down. And then you got this. So this goes here. So what I like to do is I'll just pop it in, and then tap it down to make sure it's nice and seated right there. Looks great. Come in with the handle. So tap here on the left, slide it over, get that in. And it's just a simple push in. Looks great, yeah. So, let me move these speakers, these tools. All right. Here we go. Here's after. So let's see, let's do a speaker test.
Is Dolby Cinema. It's where the most advanced cinematic technology you've ever experienced begins. This is Dolby Atmos. The number of speakers around you no longer matters, because this is the world's first object-based cinematic audio. With powerful moving audio that transcends from channels to moving around you with pinpoint accuracy. Whether the soundscape sits the mood of the scene.
What is this place? Come on, you guys, let's go.
Or captures the full extent.
Do you want to know my secret?
Of nature's fury.
This sounds way better. Holy crap.
This is black. This is contrast that reveals details deeper than any image you've seen on a screen. This is luminance that means the difference between white and pure energy. Energy that is about to reveal an entire universe of color. You've never experienced in the cinema.
What? I actually have bass? I just put the bass to nominal and the treble to nominal. Damn. This is so much better. Holy shit. Why haven't I done this sooner? Man. Well, thanks again for watching. Yeah. Stay tuned for more videos.